fix my hot girl bonnet. Only hot girl wear them my bonnet in.
Only granny.
What a boy bright. But only granny. Only hot girl wear them my pretty
Only
bonnet.
granny.
And if you want the hot girl bonnet, you have to go to. Tell them where they have to go to.
Granny.com.
Look who I have, my two pretty babies. Good morning, Sarah.
Wagwan.
Good morning, Tyler.
Wagwan.
Say hi.
I'm not sick today.
He's not sick today. He's telling you guys that because day before yesterday night, Tyler was sick, and last night Sarah was sick. So can you guys tell how tired I am? Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And that's how we'll start today's vlog. My babies weren't feeling well over the weekend. They got some bug from something they eat. It didn't affect Babe and I, but it affected Sarah and Tyler. One was the one night and the other was the other night. So Sarah had a pretty rough night last night. What are you telling the faves? They're listening. Yeah, they're hearing you. Look. They're hearing you talk. She sees something else got her attention. Nope, you can't touch that. No, 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 no. Tell faves what's going on. Tell faves what you up to, girl. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them apple. 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 Tell them up. Up. Tell them baby. Tell them baby. She's been chatting away all weekend. Say up. Up. Dance for Faves. Faves love to see when you dance. You gonna go dance? Go dance for Faves. Head. 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 Dance. Do 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 do. Go dance. Go Sarah. Do 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 do. Dance for Faves. Dance. Dance. Dance, mama, dance her faves, dance, dance. Hey, 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 get it, girl. Shake your booty, shake, shake, shake. One of our followers or subscribers send the kids, send this mat for Sarah and she love it. Hi. Hi. Shake your booty, shake, 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 shake. Say hi. Hi. What do you want to tell them? What do you want to tell them? Her hair is just growing like wildfire. Anyway, you guys, thank God the kids are feeling better. When I said they had some kind of stomach bug, Tyler vomit, TMI if you don't want to hear this, skip. Tyler vomit up all his bed. We had to rush this in the night. Sarah, the same thing. But funny enough with Sarah, when she cried out, I ran to her room like this and pick her up, and it was all on the floor. So they're better now. They're eating, they're keeping things down, so they're okay. No temperature, no nothing, so they're fine. Yeah, we're here doing laundry because all the beddings and mats and carpets and teddy bears and pillows and everything is a mess. So baby's outside putting those on the line. You guys will see him in a bit. But yeah, it's been raining here for the past 3 days. It's been raining since New Year's Day and today is the 3rd, and it just let up a little bit, and the weather says that it will be raining tomorrow and it will be raining Tuesday, and tomorrow is Tyler's first day at big school full time.
Yes.
So I have fingers crossed that the weather change so that he can have a day without rain. Come and say morning, King D.
King L. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon and good night. What is Santa Claus doing behind me? Well, it's Sunday, is the last day before school is back. So you know what that means? That means we're gonna have to look all of the stuff for Tyler, and yeah, make sure he's ready for tomorrow. You ready for tomorrow? You know everything you're supposed to know? Yes? Okay, so we're gonna look today and enjoy the last day for them.
Look right now. So go for your bag.
You go for your bag, you go for everything. Did you show the egg?
There's no improvement on the egg, just one little crack.
One little improvement. It's 2 days now. There's one crack, one little improvement.
One little crack. This baby is hard to born. This dinosaur is hard to hatch.
But a little improvement. I'm sure by tonight or by tomorrow I see a lot of crack.
And if you guys don't know what we're talking about, a few days ago, this little green pan behind me, Tyler put an egg in it that he got for Christmas that have to put in water and it will hatch and a dinosaur will be born from inside the egg. So it's been there in water and we only see one little improvement within 2 days. So
let's see. I have faith. I have faith. You have faith, Tyler? Yeah, Mama, no, I have no faith. Mama boring, Tyler. Mama boring.
you don't have nothing to do for it.
We're Sunday. You need to have faith at least one day a week, and you pick the
I don't
Sunday.
think you have more faith than I do, so don't even go into faith.
I have more faith.
Yes, Tyler. Tell her you have faith.
I have more faith than you, Mama.
What did he put in my clothes? A ball?
No, he put
How do
nothing.
you feel annoyed? Can you take it out?
Nothing.
Have faith. No, Tyler, that's okay. That's okay, Tyler. No, no. Don't. I say no. I mean, it's not my fault.
He's your father and
Yes, we look alike.
and then he say, oh, Tyler love it.
You look alike, Papa?
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Mama,
Yes.
do you want some time to call these 4% star her, him, and him a Star Wars family?
Oh. This boy obsessed with Star Wars.
Yes, I know.
Sarah wants in. Come up.
Mama, we should
Alright, you go get your bag, your school bag,
ouch,
okay?
ouch, ouch, ouch.
Gotta do something.
What? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're not coming to take the ball out of my clothes?
No problem, not mine.
Go take the ball out of my clothes. Baby! Honey, can you come and take the 2 ball out of my clothes?
No problem, you. I have nothing to do with that. You're imaginary, there's nothing in your bag.
Bug is
What am I going to do with him and him son? Why is it there? Put it on the table. Come, but baby, come look over Tyler books. 1.
Are you not gonna look over Tyler books?
Hi, Fairs. Hi, Fairs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I haven't talked to you guys all day today because I slept in late. Had a rough night last night with my girl. Hold on. I started the vlog already this morning. Hi. My head a go. My head really a go. Boy, this 2021 I do to me. sad. You guys, I'm about to jump in the kitchen and cook right now. I am going to make, what am I gonna make? You just gotta have to wait and see. Papa gonna leave you? She don't like when Papa leave her now. Papa gonna leave you? What you have in your mouth? Huh? Papa leave you? Oh, can I help you? Papa leave you, why you coming to me? Out of the kitchen, no. Go. See Papa come back. Yes. No. Go to Papa. Go, Papa calling you for water. Go for water. You guys are almost finished cooking. Let me show you guys what's up. Curry mutton is done. That one's so good. And then I have mac and cheese over here. And then I also go ahead and cook a little bit of rice. And then in here I have steamed veggie. And surprise, I throw 2 pieces of chicken in the oven jerking. Alright guys, so there goes the jerk chicken all done. Curry goat all done. Mac and cheese done. Rice done. Steamed veg done. Now it's time to grub. Babe! Alright guys. There goes my dinner. There goes my din. Ready. Fix my hot girl bonnet. Only hot girl wear them my bonnet in.
Only granny.
What a boy bright. But only granny. Only hot girl wear them my pretty
Only
bonnet.
Granny.
And if you want the hot girl bonnet you have to go to. Tell them where they have to go to.
Granny.com.
Babe, stop the fooler though.
Granny.com.
I'm serious. Stop
I
the
don't
play.
know, African Fab.
AfricanFabs.com. Face damn bright about granny.com. Anyway, you guys. Coming at the end to this vlog, you guys.
It needs to.
I'm in bed.
It needs to end.
Wait, it needs to end.
Stop touching your nose.
What? Not my nose, sir.
So what is it?
So I can't touch my nose.
So why you just say not your nose and then you say why you can't touch your nose?
No.
Make up your mind.
I say if it's not my nose, I'm asking you.
Make up your mind.
He always starts his fool with this camera.
I'm
is
gonna
on,
be
you know.
fiesty like you. I decided to give you back your fiestiness. Yeah, true. I'm tired to take your fiesta, take it inside me, and then after I feel bad inside me, I just give you back your fiestiness, right back to you, until you realize that it's too much and stop. Huh? Yes, I needed to say it.
You don't vent. You finish venting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every
And I
good
got stop
things.
the fiesty, so.
No, I'll give you back your fiestiness.
You're lucky. I'll fiesty like you. Is your damn face you want to shave?
I want to shave with Sunday. I'll go shave on Sunday. Tell me.
But never see if you shave now.
Tell me who go shave on Sunday.
You guys, let me end this vlog and send this man to his bed. End the vlog, man. End the vlog, my babe.
Know what I mean? They can't end it.
Baby, end the vlog.
We here together, so we can end it together. Alright? Guys, it's Sunday. It's time to end this week.
Wait, a
And
break.
to start back a full fresh week. The full fresh week of 2021 about to start. We're gonna make it a good one, so we gotta go get some rest. Now I hope you all had a wonderful week. I hope that you all celebrate the 2021 well, even if you stay home and stay healthy. That's the main things of 2021 for now. Stay healthy.
How are the kids feeling? How are the kids?
Which kids? Yours or mine? Yours or mine?
Ours.
They're good. I mean,
They're better.
They're better.
They're sleeping.
They're better.
Nobody vomiting tonight or today, so that was good.
So let's see. The one who's gonna vomit is you. Maybe to say that because after it's me remain in the list.
He come on to roast me tonight, so I'm just gonna leave the camera to him. Go, end it.
If you alright, well, if you like this video, give that
thumbs up.
Don't forget to
comment
and
subscribe
and
share,
and
we'll see you guys tomorrow.
bye guys.